Got another quick little video for y'all, man. Today, go pin this. This right here is I like to call it. People call it different names. I like to call it like a sunroof visor or moonroof visor, like the visor that goes over the sunroof there. I'm gonna be pinning this on, and I'll probably throw these seat covers in off camera a little bit more to the Civic, man. Getting it right today. Just dropped 2 videos before this one right here. Pinned the bumper on. Make sure y'all check that joint out. And the video of me throwing the wing on. So check them joints out. This ain't no how-to, y'all. This right here is easy. Pretty much just stick it up here. That's it. I'm just gonna put some seat covers on. Just want to do a little vlog right quick. I'll throw this joint on right here. Check it out. See what she's looking like.
I said we're gonna pick this set, y'all.
That right here. Be somewhere right there. That's where I want to place it at. Trying to make sure it's centered up too, man. About right like that, yeah. I forgot how far back I want it. Right there. Go ahead and get ready to stick this thing up. All right, folks, looking like y'all. It ain't too bad. I think I got about center too though. Let's test it out. Make sure we open it and close it. Yeah, opens up good. Well, tilts up good. Let's check out opening. If I can feel it. There you go. Yeah, I knew that wasn't gonna be no problem. Oh, we in there. Oh yeah, that look good right there now. Go ahead and throw these seat covers in here right quick though. All right, y'all, that's what the progress looks like. I did the seat covers off camera. It's a little tedious. It ain't bad. Turned out all right. Had to do a little modification, but they in there. Seat covers, nothing spectacular. Only thing I did a little different was I deleted my headrest for the back. I ain't want those. I think it looked better without it. I still had everything for it though. The headrest is sitting over here, and I had the covers for them. The 3 covers that go in the back for them, but nah, I like without it. Kept the headrest in the front though. Yeah, but that's the current situation for the Civic, man. That's what she's looking like. The new bumper on that joint. Got the bumper screen up there now. And a new addition to the ring on the back. I know what time it is now, man. It's time for me to wash this thing now. I'm probably gonna wash it and park it, cause I think it's gonna rain. I don't know. Alright, y'all, that's it, man. It's a little quick video. Just me messing around, doing some more stuff to the Civic. Showing it some love. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Go home.